Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Here's the requested video of my 3-bean salad. I make this sugar-free. First you're going to need some apple cider vinegar. Any brand will do. I prefer olive oil, but you could use vegetable oil if you wanted to. I just prefer the taste of olive oil. You're going to need a can of garbanzo beans or chickpeas, depending on where you live and what they're called. 1 can of light red kidney beans. You could use dark red, it's just the light red has a better texture in my opinion. And a can of cut green beans. Again, you can use French cut if you want, but I like the cut. You're going to need 1 cup of diced sweet onion or red onion. I prefer sweet onion. And a teaspoon each of salt and pepper. Now the salt I do modify because of the canned vegetables. And you're going to need some Splenda. This is what adds the sweetness. If you don't like artificial sweeteners, you can replace sugar, but then it won't be sugar-free. So you got to open and drain the beans. Well, you want to do them you want to add the red kidneys into the colander first, and then pour the garbanzo beans over it, and then the green beans over that, because the water will help wash away all of that good stuff. A cup of diced sweet onion, or you could use red onion. A half a cup of Splenda. A half a cup of apple cider vinegar. That's my favorite. Oh. I am. I even want to hold it. Yeah. As long as you can keep it in focus and light, that'll be fine. I'm trying to be fresh.
Oh, fine. Because I don't know. I'll open the bottles.
Oh, I'm just going to use this.
Oh, okay.
And then a 1/3 cup. And then a 1/3 cup of, I like olive oil, but in full disclosure, olive oil will congeal if it's left in the refrigerator too long. So on day 1 and day 2, we're usually fine. By day 3, the olive oil will have solidified a little bit. So that's not a huge deal. You just take the salad out a little bit before serving. And a 1/3 cup of olive oil. Teaspoon of black pepper, and it's really salt to taste. I only do a half a teaspoon of salt. It also depends on what I'm using for canned vegetables. Sometimes if I get no sodium cans, I use more. All right, and then mix this to dissolve the sugar and the salt just for a few minutes. And then add your beans. And then pour all the beans in. I'll just pour the beans. I don't know. I was going to say. Might lose one, but that's okay. Oh. And stir. Or, my favorite way to coat is put on the cover and give it a shake. Now, refrigerate up to forever. No, I'm just kidding. I do at least a half an hour to let it marinate. Okay? That's it. So that's it. You can use it as a side dish or serve it for lunch. That's what I like to do. If you have any questions at all, leave them in the comments down below. Hopefully you like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Share with friends and family. Anybody you know might be interested in making this delicious and, yeah, healthy snack. And if you haven't yet, click subscribe. When you do, a little bell will pop up. YouTube will let you know whenever I upload a new video. As always, take care. God bless. See you next time. Bye.